Sound is an important part of our lives. From the music we love to the communication we rely on, sound plays a huge role. But what exactly is sound? How is it produced? How does it travel? And how do we hear it? Let's dive into the world of sound. Sound is produced by vibrations. When an object vibrates, it sets the surrounding air particles into motion. These vibrating particles push the particles next to them, creating a ripple effect. This continuous movement creates sound waves. So in simple terms, sound is produced by vibrations of an object. Whether it's a drum, a guitar string, or our vocal cords, all sounds come from vibrations. Sound travels in waves, but not just any waves, longitudinal waves. In these waves, particles move back and forth in the same direction as the wave is traveling. The regions where particles are bunched together are called compressions, and the regions where particles are spread apart are called rarefactions. The alternating compressions and rarefactions make up a sound wave. Sound needs a medium to travel. It can travel through air, water, and even solids, but it cannot travel through a vacuum. In space, where there is no air, you wouldn't be able to hear anything. Sound travels fastest through solids, slower in liquids, and slowest in gases. This is because the particles in solids are closely packed, allowing sound to travel faster. Sound has two main characteristics: pitch and loudness. Pitch refers to how high or low a sound is. It depends on the frequency of the sound wave. Higher frequency means a higher pitch, and lower frequency means a lower pitch. Loudness depends on the amplitude of the sound wave. The greater the amplitude, the louder the sound. Now, let's understand how we hear sound. The ear has three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear collects sound waves and directs them into the ear canal. The sound waves reach the eardrum and make it vibrate. These vibrations pass through the middle ear bones and then to the cochlea in the inner ear. The cochlea converts these vibrations into signals which are sent to the brain, allowing us to hear. When sound hits a hard surface, it bounces back, just like a ball hitting a wall. This bouncing back of sound is called reflection. And when reflected sound reaches us, we hear an echo. An echo is heard if the sound is reflected and reaches the listener after 1/10 of a second or more. Not all sounds are pleasing to the ear. Sounds that are unpleasant or unwanted are called noise. Sounds that are arranged in a pleasant rhythmic way, like music, are enjoyable. While noise can be harmful, music has a soothing effect on our mind and body. Different objects produce different sounds. Have you ever noticed the sound of a bell ringing? That's because of the vibration of the metal. Or how about your phone vibrating when you get a message? The vibration produces sound, even if we don't always hear it. We are often surrounded by noise pollution, especially in cities. Noise pollution can cause stress, hearing loss, and other health problems. To reduce noise pollution, use earplugs in noisy areas. Plant more trees as they absorb sound. Lower the volume of music and avoid unnecessary honking. In summary, sound is produced by vibrating objects. It travels in longitudinal waves. It needs a medium to travel. We hear sound through our ears. Sound has properties like pitch and loudness. Echoes are a reflection of sound. Noise is unpleasant, while music is pleasant. Understanding sound helps us appreciate the world of hearing and communication. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational content on physics and other subjects. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful.